seatbelts, everyone.
Please let this be a normal field trip.
With the Frizz? No way.
Cruising down on Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good.
Yeah.
Next thing that you know, you're seeing surfing on a sound wave, singing through the stars.
Yeah.
Take a left at your intestines, take your second right past Mars. Magic minivan, navigate a nostril.
A magic minivan.
It's a wilder ride. Come on, the magic minivan.
If I was a worm, I might be able to dig myself out of all this homework and finally get to my lunch.
Why stop at lunch? Let's go to the annelid buffet.
Where are we going now?
We're going to the home of the oligocata, or as you know them, earthworms.
Actually, oligocata can also live in fresh water.
Wait, how can annelids even move at all?
Great question. Annelids move by using their muscles and tiny bristles called setae. Their muscles contract in a wave-like pattern. They have two different types of muscles, longitudinal and circular. When the worm contracts its circular muscles, it gets thinner and shorter. But when the worm contracts its longitudinal muscles, the muscles get shorter and thicker. The worm uses its setae to grip into the ground while pushing and pulling by alternating contractions between muscles, and inches its way forward.
Whoa! Look at that worm!
If they're marine worms like polychaetes, they often have paddle-like structures called parabolia to help them swim. They contract their circular and longitudinal muscles just like land-dwelling worms to move through the water. Their parabolia also act like paddles for steering and stability. Some species use scylla or ripple-like movements to guide through the water. This combination of body structure and motion allows annelids to move efficiently in aquatic environments.
Oh, they're like nature's underground diggers and underwater paddlers.
Wait, but what kind of water and dirt places do they live in?
Actually, annelids can live in a variety of different environments in places like lakes, ponds, marshes, damp soil, and even the ocean. Elwood, what are you doing on your phone?
Sorry, Mr. Frizzle. I was searching up the body plan of annelids for more clarification.
Would you like to share with us what you've learned?
Of course. Annelids have a segmented body plan, with their skin acting as armor, divided into two parts, circular and longitudinal. These segments allow for precise movement and flexibility. Their skin remains moist and similar to a slippery noodle, which helps with gas exchange. Inside their bodies is filled with fluids including phylum.
Explain what phylum is.
Phylum is a fluid-filled cavity that acts as a hydrostatic skeleton, providing support and aiding in movement. This unique body structure makes annelids highly adaptable to both land and aquatic environments.
Very informative.
Wow, did you know? Annelids have two main blood vessels, a dorsal vessel, which is on their back, and a ventral vessel, which runs through their stomach side. The dorsal vessel is used to move blood forward up to the head of the body, while the ventral vessel is used to push blood backwards down to the lower back of the body.
Oh, Mr. Frizzle, when's lunch? I'm so hungry.
Well, would you like to eat some soil, decayed organic matter, or small invertebrates like worms eat all day?
And their digestive system is surprisingly complex. Let's enter the annelid's mouth to investigate further. As you can see, food enters through the mouth, then travels down the pharynx into the esophagus. It is stored in a crop, a small pouch, before moving to the gizzard, where it is ground up. The food then passes into the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed. Then waste is expelled through the anus. The entire system is a straight tubular gut running through the worm's body, specialized for things the Aaron touched on.
If worms have mouths, does that mean they breathe through them too?
No.
No, annelids don't have a respiratory system. Annelids have moist skin that they breathe through with blood vessels close underneath the skin. When annelids are low on oxygen, it creates a concentration gradient that allows oxygen to enter the body. All throughout the body, oxygen will enter. The blood vessels will be carried out throughout the body. Red blood vessels will be distributed.
What about waste besides digestion?
Annelids have nephrilia, which are like tiny kidneys in each segment. These filter out metabolic waste
and release it through openings in their body wall, keeping them healthy and efficient.
Wait, but how do they reproduce?
Most earthworms are hermaphrodites. That means they both have male and female reproductive organs. During mating, two worms exchange sperm before fertilizing their eggs. The fertilized eggs lay in a cocoon produced by a gland called the clitellum. Some marine annelids reproduce sexually, while others can regenerate lost parts and even split into two to create clones.
How about we look at our school's garden to see what annelids can do for our ecosystem?
Beep boop beep boop.
Wow, you can see them digging everywhere.
What do annelids do for our ecosystem?
Earthworms are nature's recyclers. They break down organic matter, aerate the soil, and help nutrients cycle through ecosystems. Marine annelids, such as polychaetes, play roles as predators, prey, and sediment movers. Even leeches have uses in ecosystems as medicine.
I'm
Thanks
Mr.
for
Frizzel.
watching.
Thank you for watching.